Swamp, and welcome to BBC News. Today we have some special British guests. Can everyone give a warm welcome to Tristan and Jesse, Kevorkian and Mealy.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Wait, what? We are not British. We are French. If you continue, I will hit you with a baguette. Yeah, this is not nice.
I'm sorry.
Stupid American.
That was rough. Jeez. Well, I guess we'll move on to our next segment with our reporter at ARS, the Australian Research and Space Exploration Centre.
Hi, Jaden. Well, an aerospace engineer is a person who works in the field of aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineers work with other aerospace engineers as well as other types of engineers to make aircraft like planes and spacecraft like the Space Shuttle Discovery. Aerospace engineers also test the aircraft and spacecraft for safety and reliability. However, not all aircraft or spacecraft are working properly when they get approved for flight. Take, for example, the Boeing 737, which crashed due to malfunctions, or the Space Shuttle Challenger that exploded 73 seconds after launch.
Thanks, Jax. Wow, that was interesting. Now let's turn to Connor. Connor, what do you have for us?
The best way to describe a mechanical engineer is that they're the people that take an idea to the marketplace. Mechanical engineers analyze problems to see how mechanical and thermal devices might help solve a particular problem. They design or redesign mechanical and thermal devices or subsystems, using analysts and computer-aided design. They investigate equipment failures and difficulties to diagnose faulty operation and recommend remedies. They develop and test prototypes of devices they design. They analyze the test results and change the design or system as needed. They oversee the manufacturing process for the device.
Thank you, Connor. That was really cool. Tristan, show me what you got. Wait, where's Tristan? Tristan. Tristan. Where's Tristan? Tristan. 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 Tristan.
Lock me out. Hate you.
I'm sorry about that. Can you please continue the scene?
Okay, stupid American. An electrical engineer is someone who designs and develops new electrical systems and solves problems. The duties of an electrical engineer are to evaluate electrical systems, products, and components by designing and conducting research programs, applying knowledge of electricity and materials.
Thanks, Tristan. Jesse, show me what you got.
So, aerospace engineers are important because they build national defense systems, they build aircraft that help us travel all around the world, they also build satellites and rockets. They develop new technologies that will be useful in the future. One of NASA's new aerospace invention is a plane that has reduced noise, increased fuel, increased people on board and aircraft safety, and lower landing speed.
Thanks, Jesse. All right, Connor, let's get back to you. We've got some good background info, but in the little time we have today, we're going to try and answer some questions. How do mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and aerospace engineers work together?
Thanks, Jaden. Well, let's see. An example that makes sense to me is that mechanical engineers make wind turbines. The electrical engineers then send that electricity to a transformer that will send it to NASA, where the aerospace engineers will use it to make rockets and satellites. Another example of this could be when a mechanical engineer works on a hydro plant. The energy from the hydro plant then goes to electrical engineers, who transfer the energy to the airport, where there is planes that were designed and created by aerospace engineers. A common theme here is that mechanical engineers build the device that is creating the energy, and that energy transfers to the electrical engineers, who takes the electricity and sends it to aerospace engineers so they can create airplanes, satellites, rockets, etc.
Thanks, Connor. I'm Jaden Swamp signing off for BBC News. Join us tomorrow on our topic on artificial intelligence. Oh wait, no, I'm not done. I'm Jaden Swamp signing off for BBC News. Thanks, Tristan. Jesse, show me what. Thanks, Tristan. Jesse, show me what you have. Like...